In 2002, we also founded the UK's first home delivery diet company, The Body Chef Limited. The core business offered by the company evolved to delivering a choice of over 20 calorie-controlled total eating plans, each defined by nutritional content, food group and calorie level for any menus created. Customers also enjoyed unprecedented levels of personalization to suit their tastes, objectives and preferences. The systems evolved to rival any complexity added for customer options, rendering consumer choice transparent to staff and irrelevant to production. The Body Chef required the ability to simultaneously manage multiple product and brands for various partnerships. This also helped drive the system's development. Recipe kits sold by Ocado, special eating plans developed for QVC, medical testing plans for the NHS, and personalized macro-based eating plans for athletes and bodybuilders. All fed from one kitchen and in a single production. Each meal, course and day is individually reported on and communicated to the customer under their selected brand. Optimized production, product innovation, kitchen management, automated product compliance, supply chain management with a fully integrated e-commerce solution designed specifically for food businesses. Any created menus and dishes can be selected for production. Everything is then aggregated. With a simple stock check done, food orders are then placed, evolved and developed in real time. Each feature is carefully programmed and refined, allowing a high level of flexibility that keeps everyone informed. Food ordering, aggregated pre-prep and production, nutritional and allergen information, staff handling instructions. Storage, cook-chill sheets and even portion control can be included on production sheets. Individualized configurations provide the ability to manage and offer a broader range of business products and services. Meal prep, recipe kits, calorie-controlled diet plans. Dragging and dropping meals and dishes into menus will give dynamic nutritional feedback with total calorie counts for each course and side dish. Allergen exclusions and lifestyle choices are options to sort products with quick add to basket for direct purchasing from the shop. Recipe management and menu creation, a piece of cake. Just drag meals to make courses and menu combinations ready to publish. Select menus, quantities required and confirm, is all that is necessary to administer any productions of any size smoothly. Centralized recipe control. E-commerce food and product sales. Menu creation and categories management. Food ordering and supply chain. Preparation and kitchen production. With many additional operational features that include staff clock-in, multi-site setups with central control and much more. Hands-on for the past 20 years, our experience is just part of our guarantee.